luck, student. This is the question GATE 1992, 2 marks. Which page replacement policy sometimes leads to more page fault when size of memory increase? Optimal, LRU, FIFO, या none of them? So answer is FIFO, because FIFO says one exceptional case, when we increase the number of frames, then page fault will also increase. This is not applied for all the string. This is applied for particular string, and that concept is called B-lady anomaly. B-lady anomaly. Getting my point? So FIFO is the right answer. In this statement, B-lady anomaly, more frames in, but this is not applied for all string. This is the exceptional case, and the string reference string is when you take the frame size 3 under FIFO policy, you get the page fault 9. Frame size equal to 3, then you get page fault 9, and when you get the frame size 4, then page fault, number of page fault is 10. Again I am saying this is not applied for all string. This is applied on a particular string under the FIFO page replacement policy, not optimal, not LRU. Getting my point? So answer is C. Getting my point? Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.